Is it time to go, Molly? Is it time to go?
Are you trying to tell us something? Are you trying to tell... You think she's trying to tell us something?
I think so.
Yeah?
Jacks are up. Chocks are in. Oh, that's looking good. Oh, it's perfect when it goes in that easy. Retract all the jacks. Take out our blocks. This is gonna be good. Pain off for travel. Nice. Perfect. Double check propane. Earlier. Locked. Slide in. Closed. It's closed. Locked. Jack up. Closed. It's closed. Chocks out. Check the tire pressure just a couple days ago. That should be good. 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 It's working. We are good to go.
What's on the agenda today, Jill, in this plus 37-degree weather?
Well, I am working in the shade at least, but I have procrastinated too long. I have no more low beams, and I only have one of the two bulbs that works on high beam. Now I do have this center HID beam light that does work, but it's not enough. It's like a daytime running light. So both low beams were out, only one high beam working.
And what's the consensus when it comes to changing bulbs in the Victory Vision?
It's a real pain in the ee-hoo. There's a few YouTube videos out there on this job. For the most part, it's probably a 2-hour job because there's no room to work and you have to do everything blind. So I got one out and I've been at it for, well, what time is it now?
I don't know.
It's been about 20 minutes. I'm doing good. But this was the easy part. Now is to get the new bulbs in. That's gonna be fun. I'm not filming this part because there will probably be some profanity.
Are you
I'm
gonna
all
need
smiles
my,
right now, but I won't be for long. I'm telling you.
You gonna need my little hands?
Maybe. We'll see. Last resort. They're very pretty and delicate, those hands. And one finger in particular, on your good hand, is not yet where it should be to be doing this kind of work. So you'd have to go in left-handed, which I doubt you want to do. So anyway, that's my job.
What's my job?
Feed me and bring me water.
Okay. Are you excited?
Super excited.
Where are we going today?
We're going for a ride through the mountains. Fortunately, we have a friend, Mike, who lives in the area, who couldn't be with us today, but Mike, you're with us in spirit. So he sent us a great 4-hour loop, which includes a whole bunch of wildlife and beautiful scenery. And we're super stoked. It's a sunny day, it's a beautiful day.
Did you say 4 hours or 400 kilometers?
It's 4 hours. It's just a little shy of 400 kilometers, but it'll be a good 4 hours.
Okay. I packed a picnic and we're ready to go. Jill, are you having GPS problems?
Well, I'm really not used to Google Maps. I really, really much prefer Apple Maps. And I got this, I got these instructions from Mike. And I didn't quite stop exactly where he wanted to stop for coffee the second time because we're good. And it's like it's confusing Google Maps. It's Google Maps. It sucks.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. Google Maps is not.
One day we might be sponsored by them. Now you've just ruined that forever.
I much prefer Apple Maps. Let's put it that way.
Okay, but you don't say those things.
Okay.
How are you going to tell it where we're going?
Have I ever let you down before?
It's a trick question.
We will not get lost, I assure you.
Okay.
All right.
All right. What else did we learn?
Bring Kleenex.
All the time. Okay.
I didn't need it. It wasn't my
Bye-bye.
problem. Bye. So here we are, Kananaskis Trail, just outside of Calgary, Alberta. We're just starting off, going into the mountains, and literally our first breathtaking stop. We just got on Highway 40, coming off the Trans-Canada Highway 1. First stop. I don't know how many there are. I imagine there's probably more than one. What do you think?
For sure. This is just so breathtaking. I want to go down there.
Well, let's go.
All right.
No parking. Oh. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our day of riding the Kananaskis Trail. Buddy Mike was able to join us during the evening and brought us to an amazing location in Calgary where we could observe the city from afar and take in the night lights. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. And also turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our weekly episodes crossing Canada. Join us next week as we work our way to Golden, BC and start our work camping position. We were also able to meet up with another buddy, Jay. And here's a short clip of him with his band performing at a pub.